You're watching How Leap. Let me show you how to fix low network on iPhone. First, restart your iPhone. Turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds, then turn it off. Update your carrier settings. Go to Settings, General, About. If an update is available, you'll see a prompt. Reset network settings. Go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone, then reset network settings. This will erase Wi-Fi passwords. Check for iOS updates. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. If using cellular data, ensure it's enabled. Go to Settings, Cellular, then Cellular Data Options, and enable Voice and Data. Try a different location. Network strength varies. Contact your carrier to check for outages or account issues. For more simple software tutorials, subscribe to the How Leap channel.